Hey my peeps, let's make some cute marshmallow bee themed pops. So I'm using a foam marshmallow, and you can use a clay one, that's up to you, but I'm using a foam one. And I stuck a mini skewer in the middle of the marshmallow. I'm gonna put a paper straw over it, so I need that for stability. But anyways, I'm taking my glue that's honey colored, and I'm just going up over the top of the marshmallow and adding drips to go down the marshmallow, so it's like honey dripping off of the top of the marshmallow. And then I'm gonna get my straw and I'm gonna stick it on there while the glue is still hot. Now this glue gets very hot and it takes a little bit longer than regular glue to get hard, so just keep that in mind if you get that glue from Ace Hardware. I got mine from Ace Hardware. So I made a little honeycomb with that silicone mold, and I cut a piece off. And that's going to be a piece of the decoration that's going to go on my marshmallow. And then I have a daisy that I made with a mold and some clay. I could put a link to the mold, to both of the molds if you guys are interested. And I'm going to just put a little, just one bee. Now remember I told you that this glue takes a minute to get hard, so some of your pieces might start moving forward or whatever, so keep that in mind, that you will have to readjust and make sure that the pieces do not lean over. So I'm just gonna add a little bow at the top just to give it a little contrast, a little black bow, and that's basically gonna be your cute marshmallow. And that's it. And look how cute it came out. I really like this. So cute. With the dripping honey. It has a daisy, a bee, a honeycomb. And there you go. That's the final product. Aren't they cute? Go make you some for your bee themed tier trays. Talk to you later. Bye.